very good morning to one and all present here. मैं अकेला ही चला था जाने पे मंजिल मगर लोग साथ आते गए और कारवां बनता गया. With these beautiful lines, I, Ruchi Bhargav, National Vice President, MSME and Startups Forum, extend a warm welcome to our eminent guest, Shri Sanjeev Singhai, National Vice President, Organizational Development and Governance, MSME and Startups Forum, Shri Harjinder Singh Ji, National Vice President, North Bharat, MSME and Startups Forum, conveners and co-conveners from various city chapters and groups. I now invite our founder and national president, Shri Manoj Kumar Shah, to formally welcome our guest.
I feel so proud standing here amongst you. You all have come. I'm very thankful to you all from the bottom of my heart. And we have a few special guests here. So I welcome them. Shri Harjinder Singh Ji from Lucknow. He's our national vice president. And Mr. Harjinder Singh Ji is in all 6 states. He has been helpful in identifying conveners and other office bearers. He is very instrumental. So I welcome him. I welcome Mr. Sanjeev Singhai Ji, who has traveled all Basically, this started off, I thought he should get connected to a few young businessmen and experienced people. So MSME and Startup Forum was formed with that view. बहुत खेल खेल में शुरू हुआ था, but gradually जैसे जैसे लोग आते गए, it took a very serious shape. And I'm so happy that now we are supported by the central government, very senior people, and we are a nationwide organization. In such a short span of time, we are having presence in more than 25 states. WhatsApp group, you must have seen. And I think we are close to 8,000 members across India. A lot of global members are also there. NRIs are connected to us. We have had a few events also, but then as directed by our chief patron, Dr. Vijay Chaudhariwala, he asked me that you should become a nationwide organization. So our endeavor was to spread across the nation. So basically we have been spending time for the last 2-3 months in spreading the organization, entering all the states. And again, we have come back, so many people are there, national policies are being made. And we'll be conducting more events and webinars. And yesterday we had a very good brainstorming session with Mr. Harjinder Singh Ji, Mr. Sanjeev Singhai Ji, Sanjay Dada was there. So we thought of a very beautiful tagline. Of course, during the course of trainings and we will address, we will explain. So our tagline now created, the punchline created is connect, create and collaborate. So 3 C's. Startup Forum is about connect, create and collaborate. And the definition of all these 3 words, when you correlate it to MSME Startup Forum, in due course, during the day and during discussions, you will get to know. So, coming back to a small introduction of Mr. Harjinder Singh Ji, because he has been taking great pains. He has traveled from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. He has traveled to Tamil Nadu, spreading the light of our forum, the message of our forum. And he is an engineer, he is an entrepreneur himself. He is running a successful printing industry based in Lucknow for the last 30 years. And also he has a good experience in running organizations like us. So he is an All India Federation of Master Printers. He is the honorary treasurer, he is the honorary national treasurer of All India Federation of Master Printers, which has a membership of 2.5 lakh. So such a huge organization. And within that federation, he is also the chairman of International Relations. He is a board member of World Printers and Print and Communications Forum. And his own company's name is Swastika Printwell India Private Limited. He is a director over there. So I welcome you again, sir. Then a little about Mr. Sanjeev Singhai, his specialty. He also has a vast tenure of 30 years vast experience, worked in various fields, and he is now a TV ad creator. He himself is a creative person, having all the blue chip around 250 companies in the country. They are his clients, and his company's name is Buchanan. The company name is Buchanan. It's an Australian company where he's a director for Indian subcontinent. He's based in Mumbai, and they have again the top FMCG and pharma companies as their clients. And he's the India Connect for consulting business. Then he started. He has his own startup. It's a IT company. It's called Wellness Star. It's a business to business software as a service platform, business to consumer online service. So he's already in the beta mode. It's a very heavy website. And because of this experience of his, he's helping us to create our own IT infrastructure for our forum. As you are aware, we are building a very heavy website, very dynamic website we are creating, just like Make My Trip, wherein you can interact. The government websites are static websites, but like Make My Trip or travel websites, they are dynamic websites. So we are creating our own dynamic websites where a lot of things will be online. We'll have our own social media platform. So many things we have planned, and we are trying to converge all things by say March end, so that next financial year when we start in a different form. We don't want to continue with WhatsApp because there's a lot of problems with the WhatsApp also. I mean, when the group has become so huge, so WhatsApp cannot sustain that. So we'll be soon shifting. And another thing is, yesterday we debated and we also tried to perceive a future for our organization, what we want to be. So among the definitions and what we want to do, how we want to connect to the MSMEs, how do we want to help startups, all these things we discuss. And naturally when we help others, God automatically helps you. We automatically get help from God and our colleagues. So naturally we have to progress. But we have put a figure to our ambition. So it is in next 1 year, right now if I say we have 78,000 members, so by 31st of December 2021, we want to have a national and international strength of 25,000 members. This is our target. We need all your support, all the office bearer support from Eastern UP and other parts also. Yeah, please. Then the second year 2022, when we are in December 2022, we are targeting at a strength of 75,000 members. We are getting ambitious target, and then after that, once in 2 years we stabilize the organization, actually a lot of system and processes will be in place. So in the third year, we want to reach a membership base of 300,000. That's an ambitious target. But when you look at the MSMEs in India, registered MSMEs in India, they are almost 6 crore MSMEs, registered MSMEs across India. I'm not talking of traders. It's only the MSME and the service sector. So if you just work out, we are talking of only 0.5%. 10% of 6 crores is 60 lakhs, 1% of 6 crore is 6 lakhs, and we are talking only 0.5%. So we have luminaries, we have leaders, we already in 6 months' time have presence in over 25 states. So we felt we can do it. So that's the reason I share with you, request you to fall in line with this vision. Let's all work together and it will benefit all. In democracy, it is the number of heads which count. If our nations have a huge membership base, there is no government which will not listen. So that's what we want to be, for the state government, for the central government. And it can happen with your help, support and dedication. Before I end, I have an important thing to do. In haste, whatever content we had developed, we have been seeing on WhatsApp, we've tried to put it in a brochure form. So I would like to dedicate this brochure to you all, and let's unfold the brochure and distribute before I end my speech.
I now invite our guest, Shri Sanjeev Singhai to come and say a few words.
जो संजय जी बोल रहे थे उसी को मैं थोड़ा सा आगे बढ़ूँ। मैं एक तरह की एडवर्टाइजिंग क्रिएट करता हूँ वो थर्ड पार्टी क्रेडिबिलिटी। थर्ड पार्टी क्रेडिबिलिटी is the power behind the network. Third party credibility can be explained in very simple manner. Instead of I am saying good about me, if sir says anything good about me, his saying has more credibility rather than my saying. Right? And that is what the power of credibility is. And that is where the networking comes in. यहाँ हम एक दूसरे को जानते समझते हैं and we start co-promoting each other because then trust build होता है। एक मैं और हमेशा चीज बोलता हूँ जब भी ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम करता हूँ स्पेशली यंग जनरेशन की people like to deal with people and people like to deal with the people they like। तो likability एक ऐसी चीज है जो हम सिर्फ पर्सनल इंटरेक्शन से डेवलप कर सकते हैं, वो हम किसी के बारे में जान के नहीं कर सकते। आप आज मेरे से मिल रहे हैं तो आप मुझे देख रहे हैं, शायद मेरी बॉडी लैंग्वेज भी देख रहे हैं, मेरे एक्सप्रेशन भी देख रहे हैं, चार अलग अलग तरह की बातें हो रही हैं तो मुझे समझ पा रहे हैं और फिर चांसेस ज़्यादा है कि आप एक लाइकेबिलिटी मेरे लिए डेवलप करेंगे और इसलिए जब कुछ आपको कुछ काम करना होगा तो शायद फिर आपके दिमाग में मेरा रेफरेंस आएगा, अरे संजीव है हमारे ग्रुप में, क्यों ना आप मुझसे बात करें। सो नेटवर्किंग के दो फायदे, एक तो आप लाइकेबिलिटी डेवलप कर सकते हैं which in turn over a period of time start being dividend, and the other is that आप पर्सनल कनेक्ट बनाते हैं, आपकी क्रेडिबिलिटी एस्टैब्लिश होती है क्योंकि दूसरे लोग आपके बारे में बात करते हैं and that is where the networking comes in place and that is what is going to unleash the power of the MSME startup forum and these are the two simple words जिनको कि अगर हम लोग अपने अंदर आत्मसात कर लें, particularly conveners जो यहाँ पर प्रेजेंट है और पेट्रन वो अगर इसको अपने में आत्मसात कर लें कि हमें तो सिर्फ ये दो गोल बना करके चलना है और उसके अराउंड अपने ग्रुप ऑफ मेंबर्स बनाने हैं and that is what will start spreading the word क्योंकि फिर हमारी credibility हमने सर से बात की है, सर कहीं आगे जाएंगे उनसे बोलेंगे and that is how word of mouth will start spreading so and it will always come from some reference। so chapter develop करने के लिए जो सबसे important चीज हमारे लिए होने वाली है एक पॉजिटिविटी बिल्डअप करना पड़ेगी हमें। हमारे नॉर्मली तीन तरह के सर्किल होते हैं राधा। The first circle is always the family, close family members. The second circle is close friend, and third circle in which we operate is the religious community. And that is where हमें word of mouth spread करना पड़ेगा over a period of time. There is no need of propagating unnecessarily because propaganda doesn't last and works over a period of time. But very subtle positive words always keep on floating in the air. It's kind of like you spread the positive energy in the ether and ether always starts working in your favor in that case. So my advice to all of you would be that okay. जो भी रोल इन फंक्शन आपके पैटर्न है उनके साथ में बात कर रहे हैं बट एटलीस्ट स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग इन योर क्लोज सर्कल अबाउट द MSME and how this work is done. Of course, as Manoj ji was saying that this was started very casually and with a Kasi, particularly keeping Kasi in mind, but as things started going ahead, it started taking different shape. So now if we were initially thinking this small organization, now we are thinking of more and to do so is going to be a very uphill task and a tough task. Yesterday we wanted to close certain discussions, but fact remains that after 4 or 5 hours of discussion, we could only close 2 because then
the moment we started thinking and we started dissecting things, the shapes started emerging, and what Manoj was telling you about the tagline, connect, create, credibility. Each word we had listed what it means, so that would be certainly communicated in data printing. But initial 6 months to 8 months are going to be very critical for us, because technologically we may not be ready by that time. या ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का वो स्वरूप नहीं हुआ जिसकी कि हम बात कर रहे हैं शुरू के 6-8 महीने, तो हमें थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ओन करके, ज़्यादा इन्वॉल्व होकर के वी हैव टू ड्राइव द थिंग्स. अदरवाइज व्हाट विल हैपन, आप लोग डिमोटिवेट होंगे, जो कि हम लोग नहीं चाहते हैं. बिकॉज छोटा सा चीज बनाना होता तो मैं 4 दिन के अंदर बना के उसको वेबसाइट अपलोड कर देता, कुछ भी कर देता, बिकॉज आप लोगों ने वेब डेवलपर हैं, राइट? यू नो हाउ सिंपल इट इज. वर्डप्रेस पे जाओ, आधे घंटे के अंदर एक वेबसाइट बनके तैयार हो जाएगी. इट्स दैट सिंपल. अगर आपके पास कंटेंट रेडी है तो इट टेक्स half an hour to make a website. But if I have to create a portal where I want to connect different people from different trades and different ambitions and different goals, then it becomes a very complex job. So we are trying to simplify technologically all those things, which get unfolded to you all over a period of time. We might be launching our website, which would be the initial phase, maybe this week. Yeah, maybe this week we might be ready. In that website, we will start registering the members, and there would be a referral code also. So that we can track. आपने इनको recommend किया है, इनसे ये आए, that kind of thing. So we can track that thing, that who is referring who, kind of thing. So whenever a new registration will happen, there would be a referral code automatically generated, and you can share that referral code with the people, so that when they mention that okay, by whom you are being referred with. Also, what we are trying to do there is we might be asking 3 preferences of yours, area of interest or business interest, broad category. Like someone can say, okay, I am financial consulting. Someone can say, okay, I am drug business, and so we are asking 3 preferences so that we can identify people and their interest. So initially, अभी तो सिर्फ इतना information we will capture, but unfold इस ये information तब होगी जब हमारा portal आएगा, because then that will correlate and allow you to network within the start creating business opportunities for you. So initially, all the best to everyone present here. Hold tight. 6 months we will need your support. जो शायद इतना vocally और कोई आपको नहीं बोलेगा, मैं बोलूँगा. We will need lot of support from you guys in terms of your patience and allowing us to create what we want to create. Because Rome was not built in a day, and we won't be able. We don't have any magic wand. जो हम push करेंगे and something will appear kind of thing. So thank you for your cooperation. Patience is expected next 6 months without losing any hope and motivation. And if we can hold tight for next 6 months, we would be able to create something which will go beyond our lives. That I can promise you guys. Thank you very much.
Honorable President, Shri Manoj Shah ji, Honorary General Secretary Shri Sanjay Banerjee ji, Honorary Vice President Shri Sanjeev Singh ji, all eminent office bearers, patrons, conveners, co-conveners of MSME and startup forums. I welcome you all on behalf of the President and MSME and startup forum. This is our first meeting we have gathered here, and I'm finding a lot of potential in the members in the office bearers, and I am confident that very soon we'll be reaching newer heights for the forum. As we all know, that MSME is one of the growth engines of the entire world. India is not left behind. India, MSME has been a power backup in terms of economy, in terms of employments, and so many other things. Unfortunately, we have seen in the past also the recognition which the MSME deserved. Unfortunately, it didn't get. But I think as soon as this unfortunate incident came up, the COVID-19 lockdowns, the government people have started to realize the importance of the MSMEs. If we talk about in terms of a bit of data about MSME, we'll be able to understand what is the contribution in our nation. So if we talk about the exports, MSME is contributing about 48%, which is quite substantial. The MSME is contributing about 35% in the GDP of India, which is again quite substantial for any single entity. Then why is not the importance being realized? This is a very, very important question. The point is that we are not able to put up the voice in front of the government. We are not able to describe how big we are. We are not able to describe the importance of the MSMEs till now. I am saying this till now. Now, I think after the MSME and Startup Forum came up, which was a brainchild of the founder members who are all sitting here, I thank you all for putting up this forum. And this forum is so important for the MSMEs, for startups, as well as for the professionals. This is one of those forums which have come up, which has given a brilliant and a big platform throughout the nation for all these entities. So I think it's high time that we have to work together, work hard, and we can achieve the impossible in the near future. Friends, we have seen that India, in Uttar Pradesh, we have the largest numbers of MSMEs, which we all know. The large industries, the mega industries, the medium enterprises, they are all important for any nation, as well as for India also. But there is a big bit of difference between the larger industries contribution and the MSMEs contribution. The larger industries, you will find they are always located in a preferential areas of any nation, including India. They have to be located in a location where it suits them according to their manufacturing units, according to the transportation system, and they cannot be placed all across India. So how is the employment be evenly distributed throughout the nation? So there also the MSMEs come up, the startups come up, they provide the employments all across the nation. They are not localized in one particular area. So this is a very, very important point. We are all missing out since from last year onwards, India has become the youngest country of the entire world. And the population is booming. The average age of Indian is around 29 years. And we are expected to remain till the year 2050. We have 30 bright years to work on. But again, it is a big challenge. We have to accept that challenge. And I am confident that MSME will help us to take the challenge. As we all know that during school times we have listened to few lines, I'll say that we will answer when duty shall call. So friends, In the morning, the president has given us, I will not say a big task. Would you say that? Anyone? Is it a big task?
No.
25,000 the first year, 75,000 and
To conduct a training session on how we can utilize MSME and Startups Forum and build powerful networking, I invite Shri Sanjay Banerjee, co-founder and National Vice President, Training
National General Secretary.
National General Secretary, yeah.
Welcome to the first physical offline session of coordinators of MSME and Startup Forum with the National Board members. Leaders, you are the torchbearer of your respective group and city, as you all are leading your group member by motivating them, educating them about how to use the network and how they can be benefited out of MSME and Startup Forum. At the initial stage, still we are not coming out with the technologies. We expect our leader and conveners of the group and city to be active on WhatsApp on hourly basis. We would appreciate if you all educate the member that the group is created for information sharing of business and startup only. Members can share only following things: information of any government scheme, incentive package related to MSME and startups, leads and referral, and any requirement for your friends, for yourself or for your friends. Good morning, birthday, anniversary and political discourse are strictly prohibited, and we are not going to entertain any member if they are posting this type of message in the group. Now, what is leadership? क्या कोई बता सकता है लीडरशिप क्या है? मनु, I think you can say.
Somebody who can create more leaders.
Yes. होता क्या है कि हम लोग बड़ा फर्क कर देते हैं. हमको लीडरशिप का मतलब समझ में आता नहीं था. नहीं. लीडरशिप का मतलब अगर लीडर्स कहेंगे ना, तो वो नेताजी हैं. अब वो एक तो सुभाष चंद्र बोस जिनको लोग फॉलो करते थे. नेता तो अपने आप को हम प्रायोजित करते हैं कि हम नेता है और हम नेतागिरी करेंगे, तो हमें नेता नहीं, हमें लीडर चाहिए जिसको लोग फॉलो करें. इसलिए कि आप लीड कर रहे हैं ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को विद एन एग्जांपल. जैसे हमारे यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री जी हैं, फॉलोअर्स हैं उनको, नेता नहीं, वो लीडर है, एक्चुअल लीडर है कि लोग उनको फॉलो करते हैं. तो हम हमारे जो कन्वीनर्स हैं और जो ऑफिस बेयर्स हैं, हमें अपेक्षा है कि आप नेता न बने, आप लीडर्स बने, आप मोटिवेट करें लोगों को और आप इन्फोर्स नहीं करें, आप इंटरेक्ट करें, आप बॉन्डिंग बनाएं अपनी कि लोग आपकी बात से प्रभावित हों और प्रभावित होकर चीज़ों को फॉलो करें. आपको अपना एग्जाम्पल खुद सेट करना पड़ेगा एज ए लीडर कि आप क्या करना चाहते हैं, कैसे करना चाहते हैं. आप इन्फोर्स किसी को करेंगे तो ये देखिए, ये जो लोग एमएसएमई फोरम में आए हैं, ये सब अपने अपने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के एक हेड्स हैं, ओनर्स हैं, एंटरप्रेन्योर्स हैं. आप इनको इन्फोर्स किसी भी चीज़ के लिए नहीं कर सकते हैं. इनके साथ आप इंटरेक्ट करके बॉन्डिंग बना के आप कल्चर डेवलप कर सकते हैं. वी हैव टू डेवलप द कल्चर. अभी मान लीजिए आलू जी, अगर हम आपको आजकल देखेंगे ना कि डेटा दिख रहा है, फलाने क्लब का डेटा मेरे पास, हम इतने में देंगे, फलाने इतनी सारी ईमेल आईडी है, हम इतने में देंगे. मान लीजिए हम आपको 10,000 डेटा एमएसएमई फोरम का, आज की तारीख में वर्तमान में 8,000 मेंबर्स हैं, हम आपको वो डेटा अगर आलू जी आपको शेयर कर देते हैं, तो आप क्या करेंगे?
Start calling them.
स्टार्ट कॉलिंग. उससे लगता है कि आपको वो लोग एंटरटेन करेंगे? आर दे एक्सपेक्टिंग योर कॉल?
No.
उससे आपको कोई फायदा मिलेगा?
Leads हैं.
लीड्स है, पर उसमें कहीं ना कहीं आपको नहीं लगता है कि आपकी बहुत से लोग इरिटेट होकर आपके फोन को बैक कर देंगे बिकॉज़ दे आर नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग योर कॉल.
True.
तो क्या नेटवर्किंग इसी तरह किया जाता है?
No.
नेटवर्किंग हम आपको एक प्लेटफॉर्म दे रहे हैं जहाँ पे लोग आपको जान रहे हैं, आपको जानेंगे. जब आप उनसे बॉन्डिंग क्रिएट करेंगे, आप उनसे मिलेंगे. बॉन्डिंग क्रिएट और नेटवर्क करने के लिए सबसे पहले क्या करना चाहिए? कैसे आपको, अगर आपको शेड्यूल करना है तो आप कैसे किसी के साथ नेटवर्क करोगे? हम अपनी छोटी सी एग्जांपल देना चाहते हैं. जैसे संजीव सर के बारे में जब हमको मनोज जी ने शेयर किया, तो हमने इनको टेक्स्ट मैसेज किया पहले व्हाट्सएप पे कि मैं फला हूँ एंड आप किस टाइम पे खाली हो, आप कब हम आपसे बात कर सकते हैं. तो फिर उसके बाद हमारी एक शेड्यूल तय हुई. जैसे कि हम अगर बैंक ऑफ करके एक फोन करते हैं किसी आदमी को, व्यक्ति को, कि भैया मुझे आपको जानना है और मुझे आपसे बात करनी है, वो आपका फोन एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रहा. हो सकता है वो मंदिर में हो सकता है वो अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ क्वालिटी टाइम पे स्पेंड कर रहा हो, आप उसको कहीं ना कहीं डिस्टर्ब कर रहे हैं. दिस इज नॉट द राइट वे ऑफ डूइंग नेटवर्किंग. लोग हम देखें एमएसएमई में बहुत से लोग स्पैम मैसेजेस देना चालू कर देते हैं, डेटा तो व्हाट्सएप पे मिल गया, मैसेज पे मैसेज किए जा रहे हैं, कहीं ना कहीं आपकी क्रेडिबिलिटी से खराबी हो रही, बंद नहीं की। आप पहले बेचने जाएंगे तो कुछ नहीं मिलेगा। I would try to volunteer somebody. I think again, Manu, you're the best person to answer. एक लाइन कही जाती है कि नेटवर्किंग इज मोर अबाउट फार्मिंग, इट्स नॉट अबाउट हंटिंग। इस चीज को मोटा मोटी याद रखिए। अब मनु, अगर मुझे मान लीजिए आपके साथ वन टू वन शेड्यूल करना है या आपको मुझे मेरे साथ करना है, तो व्हाट इज द राइट वे टू डू द वन टू वन?
I think a prior message should be floated with you, shared with you, and asking about your comfortable time and date. And then it should always be pre-planned, and then we can reach out and do it on a proper basis, rather than just jumping into somebody's office and disturbing his current schedule. It should always be pre-planned and discussed, and we should also have the agenda for discussion. अगर वो agenda भी हम priorly share करते तो I think it can be done better.
Yes, wonderful.
हम मनोज जी को और सभी लीडरशिप टीम को, प्लीज जो इतने जल्दी से आए हैं यहाँ पर, तो मुझे लगता है कि अब जो वेग है वो बन रहा है फोरम में, और उसको प्रवाहित करने के लिए और आगे बढ़ाने के लिए हमको कोई ना कोई चैनल चाहिए, और वो चैनल की भी परिकल्पना मनोज भाई ने करी थी, और एक YouTube चैनल हमने क्रिएट किया है। तो पूरा का पूरा मल्टीमीडिया का जो प्लेटफॉर्म है वो हम वहाँ पर क्रिएट कर रहे हैं। हम इनफैक्ट जो हमारे डिग्निटरीज के आएंगे उनके लिए इंटरव्यू फोरम, इंटरव्यू स्टूडियो भी क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, और इस पर्टिकुलर मीडिया सेल और PR का जो पर्पस होगा, जो YouTube चैनल जो बन रहा है उसका जो पर्पस होगा वो इस तरीके से है कि सबसे पहले जो हमारी लीडरशिप है, जो यहाँ पर जिन्होंने इस पूरी परिकल्पना की स्थापना करी है, उनका इंट्रोडक्शन हो, उनकी तरफ से मैसेज हो, उनका विजन और उनका मिशन शेयर हो, ये उस YouTube चैनल पे आएगा। उसके बाद में हम सभी लीडर्स से जो कन्वीनर्स हैं, को कन्वीनर्स हैं और डिफरेंट सिटीज के लीडर्स हैं, उन सब से भी अनुरोध करेंगे कि वो अपने इंट्रोडक्शन भी रिकॉर्ड करके हमें भेजें, जिससे कि उनके विजन जो है वो अपने पब्लिक के साथ हम शेयर कर सकें। इसमें कुछ और भी इंटरेस्टिंग सब्जेक्ट्स हो सकते हैं, जैसे कि बहुत सारे डोमेन स्पेसिफिक डोमेन एक्सपर्ट लोग होंगे जो कि अपने विचार या अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस को शेयर करना चाहेंगे फोरम के सारे मेंबर्स के साथ में। अभी हम बात कर रहे हैं 3 लाख लोगों की, जो कि वेरी सून विल बी हैविंग देम ऑन बोर्ड। उसके अलावा जो फोरम की का एक बहुत अच्छी बात कही संजय भैया ने और संजीव भाई साहब ने कि कल्चर डेवलप होना चाहिए। See, any organization is known for its culture. Today, India is being known because Mr. Modi has been spreading out the culture, स्वच्छ भारत, आत्मनिर्भरता, ये सारी चीजें हैं जो कि बहुत बड़ी परिकल्पना से आगे हैं, ये आज की नहीं है, महात्मा गांधी जी ने भी यही कहा। तो अब India is getting known for that. MSME forum is not different. So we are the flag bearers of that. What Mr. Modi is saying, we are the flag bearers of that, individually. So हम चाहेंगे कि अपने ग्रुप में, अपने पूरे फोरम में जो पॉलिसीज और कल्चर रिलेटेड अनाउंसमेंट्स हों, उसके पॉलिसीज बने, वो हम इसके ऊपर डिसेमिनेट करें, जिससे कि लोगों को उसके लिए भी अवेयरनेस हो। प्लस जो एक और एस्पेक्ट आता है कि हम इस फोरम से किस तरीके से लोगों को हेल्प कर पा रहे हैं। तो जो स्मॉल स्केल बिजनेस ओनर्स हैं उनको हम कैसे एलिवेट कर पा रहे हैं, उनके लिए क्या हम ट्यूटोरियल्स कर रहे हैं, उनके लिए क्या हम स्केलिंग अप सजेशंस या ट्यूटोरियल्स, ट्रेनिंग सेशंस दे पा रहे हैं, वो सारा कुछ मटेरियल यहाँ पर मिलेगा। तो इसमें मैं चाहूँगा कि आप सब लोग, मैं मेल आई शेयर करूँगा, उसके ऊपर आप लोग अपने सजेशंस दे सकते हैं, और डिफरेंट भाषाओं में ये कंटेंट क्रिएट होगा, डिफरेंट जोन से पूरे इंडिया से, और सभी मेंबर्स के लिए जो कि कहीं पर भी होंगे उनके लिए उनकी भाषा में ये मटेरियल क्रिएट होगा, और इस YouTube चैनल के थ्रू डिफरेंट होगा। So please do suggest whatever you have as valuable suggestions. Thank you so much.